You asked, how to divide 11,435 by 12 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 11 is too small. Use 114. 114 divided by 12 equals 9. 9 times 12 equals 108. 114 minus 108 equals 6. Bring down 3, making 63. 63 divided by 12 equals 5. 5 times 12 equals 60. 63 minus 60 equals 3. Bring down 5, making 35. 35 divided by 12 equals 2. 2 times 12 equals 24. 35 minus 24 equals 11. The remainder is 11. The final result is 952 remainder 11.